Hello. Another question that I'm getting quite frequently. How can you get your home ready to show when you have a couple of kids running around undoing everything as fast as you put it away? And the trick is get them involved. It's easier said than done, but here's something you can try. Turn this into a game. Have your kids go through a drill of making their beds, putting away their favorite stuffed friends, their toys, and see how fast they can do it. And even better, give them some kind of reward for doing it in maybe 5 minutes. Just a quick drill, but make it fun. This process is challenging for kids, and the last thing you want to do is make it even harder. Instead, have this be a fun game with prizes, and they can become your best allies right before showing. So when I text you and say, get ready, here comes some buyers, all you have to do is tell the kids and they get to play the game. I'm Erica Wiggins with the Wiggins Group. If you have any questions, please feel free to email them to me.